सो हेलो एभ्रिवान, वेलकम ब्याक टु द च्यानल। र आजको भिडियोमा चाहिँ हामीले एनपीसी नेपाल फार्मेसी काउन्सिलको लाइसेन्स इक्जाममा सोध्न सक्ने क्वेसन्सहरूलाई डिस्कस गर्नेछौँ। आज चाहिँ हामी मेनली फार्माकोग्नोसीको क्वेसन्सहरूलाई डिस्कस गर्नेछौँ र यो क्वेसन्सहरू चाहिँ डिप्लोमा इन फार्मेसी यानि कि फार्मेसी एसिस्टेन्टको लागि एकदम युजफुल हुनेछ। सो यो भिडियोलाई सुरु गरौँ। सो फर्स्ट क्वेसनमा रहेको छ 1 IU अफ भिटामिन ए इज राइट एन्सर इज अप्सन नम्बर बी जो रहेको छ 0.344 UG अफ स्ट्यान्डर्ड प्रिपरेसन। Question number 2, drugs containing saponinol used as a right answer is option number C expectorant. Question number 3, entire parts of the following drugs are effective except right answer is option number D clove. Question number 4, Carey's test is used for right answer option number C rancidity of fats and oils. Question number 5, drugs not belonging to volatile oil class. Right answer is option number B castor oil. Question number 6, monofibrates describes right answer option number A जो correct so one pair of different characters. Question number 7, drug does not show carminative property. Right answer option number A जो correct so deal. Question number 8, which of the following is not a micronutrient. Right answer is option number C molybdenum. Question number 9, all are true leaflets except right answer option number D. Examples include rose, neem, digitalis and senna. Question number 10, colchicine is used for right answer is option number B goat. Question number 11, caruncol is present in right answer option number D castor. Question number 12, the biological source of cotton fiber is right answer option number B Gossypium barbadens. Question number 13, silk consists of right answer is option number C resins. Question number 14, the callus is right answer is option number D undifferentiated cell mass. Question number 15, a marine fungus is the source for right answer option number B cephalosporin. Question number 16, is not the function of the cell wall of the plant. Right answer option number B provide mechanical support to the organ. Question number 17, drugs used as anti-malarial. Right answer option number D atmesia. Question number 18, closed collateral vascular bundles are the characteristics of right answer say option number B रहेको छ जो करेक्ट छ monocotyledons plant. Question number 19, dragon drop reagent which will not gives positive test for right answer option number B caffeine. Question number 20, iodine value for oils and fats measure as right answer option number B extent of unsaturation. Question number 21, chlorophytum borifolium is used as right answer option number C aphrodisiac. Question number 22, the number of milligrams of KOH required to continue with fatty acids which are present in glycerin from in 1 gram of sample of oil or fat is called right answer is option number D both A and B. Question number 23, for vitamin A answer option number C 1 IU is present in 0.344 UG of a standard preparation. Question number 24, monalide or marine drug is right answer is option number C anti-inflammatory. Question number 25, drugs used as bronchodilator. Right answer is option number C ipecacuanha. Question number 26, in which Ayurvedic formulation preservative is not required. Right answer is option number C asava. Question number 27, drug used as emetic. Right answer option number C epicus. Question number 28, centrozylic vascular bundle is present in right answer option number A melefon. Question number 29, open collateral vascular bundles are the characteristic of right answer option number A dicotyledons plant. Question number 30, which marine of drug has a cardiovascular activity. Right answer option number D both A and B. Question number 31, com is present in right answer option number D both A and B. Question number 32, relation between ester value, saponification value and acid value is right answer option number A ester value is equal to saponification value minus acid value. Question number 33, iodine number of fat is determined to know. Right answer is option number C relative unsaturation. Question number 34, in plant tissue culture surface sterilization of explants done by right answer option number D all of the above. Question number 35, gibberellin obtained from fungus is right answer option number D A and B. Question number 36, adaptogen are substances which right answer is option number D all of the above. Question number 37, which one is essential vitamin in culture media. Right answer is option number A thymine. Question number 38, which one is not intermediate in cyclamic acid pathway. Right answer is option number A erythrose 4-phosphate. Question number 39, aryl is present in right answer is option number A nutmeg. Question number 40, aryl is right answer is option number D succulent growth from hilum covering entire seed. Question number 41, Alphan's test is used for. Right answer is option number A, detection of cotton seed oil as adulterant. Question number 42. According to Ayurveda, PITA, bile is responsible for. Right answer is option number C, all digestive and metabolic activities. Question number 43. Palisade ratio is. Right answer option number C, average number of palisadal cell is beneath each upper epidermal cell. Question number 44. Natural cytokinin is. Right answer option number B, J18. Question number 45. Chrysanthemum is mainly used as. Right answer option number B, insecticide. Question number 46. Which of the following causes fruit ripening? Right answer is option number D, ethylene. Question number 47. All are plant growth promoters except. Right answer option number A, abscisic acid. Question number 48. Which of the following is also known as extranuclear? Right answer option number D, mitochondria. Question number 49. Which is not one of the parameters of quantitative chemical test of fixed oil or fat? Right answer is option number A, viscosity. Question number 50. Sarpagandha is related to. Right answer option number A, Rolfia. Question number 51. Deadly nightshade plant is related to. Right answer is option number C, belladonna. Question number 52. Which of the following reagents is used to indicate the presence of imetine? Right answer option number B, potassium chlorate. Question number 53. Nux vomica seed belongs to the family. Right answer is option number B, Loganaceae. Question number 54. Which part of the dill fruit contains oil? Right answer option number C, vitae. Question number 55. Pale and black catechu are differentiated on the basis of presence of. Right answer option number C, cambier fluorescein. Question number 56. Camphor is obtained from which plant? Right answer option number B, Cinnamomum camphora. Question number 57. Cambopogon citratus belongs to the family. Right answer is option number A, gramine. Question number 58. Turmeric possesses saffron color due to presence of. Right answer option number A, curcumin. Question number 59. Beeswax mainly contains. Right answer is option number B, myrcene. Question number 60. Free cinnamic acid is present in. Right answer is option number D, balsam of Tolu. Question number 61. Silk fibers obtained from. Right answer option number B, cocoons of Bombax mori. Question number 62. Pungency of chilies is due to presence of. Right answer option number A, capsaicin. Question number 63. Peppermint oil is synonym for. Right answer option number A, mentha oil. Question number 64. Turpentine oil contains mainly. Right answer option number B, apinin. Question number 65. Which one of these alkaloids is volatile in nature? Right answer is option number A, narcotin. Question number 66. Keller-Killiani test is specified for. Right answer is option number B, glycan part of digitalis glycosides. Question number 67. Which one of these is adulterant of digitalis leaves? Right answer option number A, Verbascum thapsus. Question number 68. Rivancin is common name for. Right answer is option number B, rhubarb. Question number 69. Amylum is synonym for. Right answer is option number A, starch. Question number 70. The marmelosin is constituent of. Right answer is option number C, Bl. Question number 71. Uricemia maritima is used as. Right answer is option number C, cardiotonic. Question number 72. Bhasaca is used as. Right answer is option number A, expectorant. Question number 73. The source of Indian acacia is. Right answer is option number A, Acacia arabica. Question number 74. Ashwagandha is common name for. Right answer option number A, Withenia somniferum. Question number 75. Quinine and quinidine is different in. Right answer option number C, indutating the plane of polarized light. Question number 76. Cinchona belongs to the family. Right answer is option number C, Rubiaceae. Question number 77. Which one of these is called an Indian tobacco? Right answer is option number A, Lobelia. Question number 78. Drugs may be. Right answer option number C, both A and B. Question number 79. Aloe belongs to the family. Right answer is option number C, Liliaceae. Question number 80. Tinebelly senna is found in. Right answer option number C, South India. Question number 81. Adulteration is done due to. Right answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 82. Cassia ovovata is also known as. Right answer is option number A, dog senna. Question number 83. Color of castor oil is. Right answer is option number C, colorless. Question number 84. Aloe is used as. Right answer option number D, all of the above. Question number 85. Ricin are. Right answer option number B, toxins. Question number 86. Direct adulteration is done with. Right answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 87. Pharmacognosy was coined by. Right answer is option number D, Sidler. Question number 88. Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India has adopted type of classification system. Right answer is option number D, alphabetical. Question number 89. The classification system comprising of chemical type of compound and evolution of plant is. Right answer option number C, chemotaxonomical. Question number 19. Who is considered as the father of Indian medicine? Right answer is option number C, Sushruta. Question number 99. One of the following is not macronutrients. Right answer is option number B, boron. Question number 92. Shark liver oil is source of drug. Right answer option number C, marine. Question number 93. Talc is source of drug. Right answer option number B, mineral. Question number 94. Mayer's reagent consists of. Right answer option number B, potassium mercuric iodine. Question number 95. Examples of protoalkaloid is. Right answer option number C, colquinum. Question number 96. Gentian is used as. Right answer is option number D, emetic. Question number 97. Alloy obtained from the dried juice of leaves of. Right answer option number A, Aloe barbadensis. Question number 98. Rhubarb is obtained from rhizome of. Right answer is option number C, Rhium palmatum. Question number 99. Which part of rhubarb is used? Right answer is option number D, rhizome. Question number 100. Rhubarb contains. Right answer option number A, anthraquinone derivatives. Question number 101. Castor oil belongs to the family. Right answer option number C, Euphorbiaceae. Question number 102. Castor oil contains. Right answer is option number A, ricinoleic acid. Question number 103. Is spagula obtained from the dried seeds of. Right answer is option number A, Phantovata forskull. Question number 104. Isophylla belongs to the family of. Right answer is option number C, Euphorbiaceae. Question number 105. Which part of spagula is used? Right answer is option number A, seed. Question number 106. Senna contains. Right answer option number A, all of the above. Question number 107. Digitalis obtained from the dried leaves of. Right answer is option number B, Digitalis purpura. Number 108. Among the following, which one is used as cardiotonics? Right answer is option number A, Arjuna. Question number 109. Arjuna belongs to the family of. Right answer is option number C, Combretaceae. Question number 110. Which part of Arjun is used? Right answer is option number B, bark. Question number 111. Arjuna contains. Right answer option number D, all of the above. Question number 102. Where cardamom belongs to the family of. Right answer is option number A, Gingiberraceae. Question number 113. Among the following, which is used as laxative? Right answer is option number D, spagula. Question number 114. Fennel obtained from the dried rib of fruits of plant. Right answer option number B, Folliculum vulgare. Question number 115. Black pepper belongs to the family of. Right answer is option number A, Piperaceae. Question number 116. Among the following, which is not a carminative? Right answer is option number C, senna. Question number 117. Tulsi obtained from the dried leaves of. Right answer option number A, Ocimum santum. Question number 118. Tulsi belongs to the family of. Right answer is option number B, Labiatae. Question number 119. Among the following, which one is used as an antitussive? Right answer is option number A, Bhasaka. Question number 120. Turmeric is used as. Right answer option number A, antiseptics. Question number 121. Amla contains. Right answer option number B, vitamin C. Question number 122. Is also known as father of medicine. Right answer is option number C, Hippocrates. Question number 123. Drug is not under the class of organized drug. Right answer is option number D, gums. 124. A drug is not under the seed class. Right answer is option number B, digitalis. Question number 125. Drug which does not belong to the leaves class. Right answer is option number D, turmeric. Question number 126. Which drug does not belong to the fruit class? Right answer is option number A, Artemisia. Question number 127. Dried latex of the drug is used except. Right answer is option number B, Cataparcha. Question number 128. Roots of the following drugs are effective except. Right answer option number D, aconitin. Question number 129. Leaves of the following drugs are effective except. Right answer option number C, clove. Question number 130. Drugs not belonging to the volatile oil class. Right answer is option number C, castor oil. Question number 131. Antimalarial drug is. Right answer option number D, cinchona. Question number 132. Calmorga oil is used as. Right answer option number B, antileprotics. Question number 133. Ipecacuine are used as. Right answer option number C, anti-dysenteries. Question number 134. Garlic belongs to the family of. Right answer is option number C, Liliaceae. Question number 35. Which of the following has antibacterial property? Right answer option number C, allicin. Question number 136. Linseed oil is extracted from. Right answer option number A, flax. 137. On warming agar its solution of KOH, a color develops. Right answer option number A, canary yellow. Question number 138. Which of the following are used in plasters and polishes? Right answer is option number A, beeswax. 139. Yeast and shark liver oil are example of. Right answer option number A, vitamin. Question number 140. Asafoetida acts as a. Right answer option number C, laxative. Question number 141. Which system of medicine is believed in like cure like? Right answer is option number D, homeopathy. Question number 142. Gambier is another name of. Right answer is option number A, pale catechu. Question number 143. Oil not used as vehicles in injectables. Right answer option number D, corn oil. Question number 144. Which one is not the biological source of cinchona? Right answer is option number C, Cinchona indica. Question number 155. Belladonna leaf adulterate with. Right answer is option number B, ailanthus leaf. Question number 146. Ergometrin is used as. Right answer is option number D, oxytocic action. Question number 147. Glycosidic drug having laxative property. Right answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 148. Turkish opium is commonly known as. Right answer option number C, druggist opium. Question number 149. A thorn apple is the synonym of. Right answer option number C, stramonium. Question number 150. Medicine prepared in the form of tablets or pills are also known as. Right answer is option number B, gutica. सो यदि तपाईहरु अरु पनि सब्जेक्टको यस्तै एमसीक्यूहरु हेर्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने च्यानलमा गएर र प्लेलिस्टमा गएर तपाईहरु हेर्न सक्नुहुनेछ. सो थ्यांक यू फर वाचिङ.